How to upload a short video on YouTube. So in order for you to get this done, it's actually quite simple. Say for example, you have already edited somewhere else and you're just planning to upload it here on YouTube. Then the best way for you to get this done is just tap that plus sign down there. And then from here, what you're going to do is just tap this add button right here and go ahead and choose your video. Say for example, I'm going to upload this one. And then once chosen, we're going to go ahead and click the done button right there. Alright, and as you can see, we have already uploaded that video here. And then the next thing that we are going to do is tap this check mark right here and then click the next button. And then all that's left for us is basically add a caption to our short video and then try to check all of the settings here and adjust as needed. And then after doing so, you can just go ahead and click upload short just like so. And you can see that your video is now being uploaded. You can go ahead and click this one right here in order for you to see the progress of it. Alright, there you go. It says it's ready to watch. So congratulations everybody. That is how you are going to upload your short video here on YouTube.